Welcome back everyone. This is gaming mouse from HP G360. So let us unbox it and check it out. We got user manual, warranty card and HP product support. Here is our mouse. Build quality is very good, as you can see. Perfect gaps with premium finish. 7 buttons and a smooth scrolling wheel. Wheel color indicates DPI. DPI button with 6 configurations. DPI ranges between 200 up to 6200. Press and hold the DPI button to turn the lights on or off. Light patterns can be configured by pressing left, right and wheel button together. This following pattern looks perfect. Five light patterns which can be customized with HP Gaming Mouse software. This is the mouse software which you can download. I'll give you the link to download in the description below. We can customize buttons, polling rate, light effects and DPI settings here, and up to 5 profiles can be set up. Looking perfect in dark, isn't it? This following pattern looks best, I think. This was my old HP mouse and the upgrade is just amazing. Check out the best buy links in the description below. Do share this video with your friends and let me know your thoughts about this mouse in the comment section below. Thank you.